Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can access Airport Lounge with Chase Sapphire Preferred. So the short answer is that the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the CSP does not come with a complimentary lounge membership like Priority Pass. So this is one of the primary differences between the Preferred, which has a $95 annual fee, and the Reserve, which has $550 annual fee. However, you still have a few specific ways to get into a lounge using your card or status. So first is the once per year rather. So this is the Chase Sapphire Lounges. So even though you don't get a membership, Chase allows travelers with a priority pass, even if it's from a different credit card or purchased separately, to visit a Chase Sapphire Lounge by the club once per calendar year for free. So the current location for that is in the Boston, New York, Washington, and Las Vegas. So the catch is after your one free visit, you must pay $75 per person for any subsequent visits that year. Second way is the purchase a day pass. So many lounges allow you to buy a day pass at the front desk since you earn two times points on travel with your Sapphire Preferred. So you will at least earn extra points on the cost of the entry fee. So the price usually ranges from $35 to $75. So the application that you have to use, you have to download the Lounge Buddy or check the Priority Pass application to see which lounges in your specific terminal sell one-time passes. Now the third one is to use the Reserve upgrade. So if you find yourself traveling frequently, you can product change your Sapphire Preferred to a Sapphire Reserve after you have held the Preferred for at least 1 year. Now the benefit for that is the Reserve gives you a Priority Pass Select membership with unlimited visits for you and 2 guests. So the cost will be you will have to pay the higher annual fee, which is $550, but it includes a $300 annual travel credit that helps you offset the cost. And lastly is the partner airline lounges, which is indirectly. So since the Sapphire Preferred allows you to transfer points one-to-one to airline partners, you can sometimes use your points to book a business or first class ticket. So these tickets almost always include complimentary lounge access for that specific flight. Like for example, transferring points to United to fly Polaris business class. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.